What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fresh Sabatos. We are here at the Shoe Palace. What's on the feet? Okay, one of my faves, man. Got the S15 looking beautiful over here. Even though it's not 100% there, just the fact that I own this car makes me happy. Every time I walk in here and see this car, I'm like, damn, I really have an S15, that's crazy. Small update on this. We did end up extending the O2 sensors. I don't think I ever gave you guys a video of the car idling with the O2 sensors, but it idles a lot better. The car sounds great. Everything is smooth as of right now. Main reason why the car is just kind of sitting right now is because it does need to go back to the shop, and we most likely are going to have to pull the transmission off. That way we can swap out the shifter bracket, because right now with the shifter bracket that I have on there, for some reason, I guess it's just trash, I don't know, it doesn't go into any of the odd gears. So first, third, and fifth, it will not go into those gears, and obviously I can't drive the car like that. So I ordered another shifter kit, supposed to be like a really good one. That's honestly, realistically, all I'm really waiting for. Just get this back to the shop when they have time, pull the trans off, and swap out that shifter kit. My guy that did all the wiring for me, he's gonna be coming back out here, I think in like a week or two. At that point, basically, I'm gonna put the whole dashboard back in completely. I have the cluster in there, we're gonna wire that up, and he's gonna try to attack this door again and see if we can figure out the window. Because for some reason, this window does not want to roll up. We don't know if it's like on some kind of security lock, or we don't know what it is. That window, perfectly fine, everything works. So it's just this window is giving him problems. So he'll be back out here in a week or two, and hopefully we can finish this thing up and start driving it. Because realistically, all I need right now to drive the car is the shifter bracket. The car turns on, starts, revs, normal. So that is really all I need. Got the drift seat here looking like a snack with the angle kit. Just took this thing out recently. I had a blast, man. The angle kit is so much fun. It honestly makes drifting like that much more fun. Practice and learned without the angle kit, I feel like helped me a lot. Because if I would have just threw the angle kit on, then I just would have had way too much angle, and I just probably wouldn't know what to do. But now that I have it, I'm like, damn, I don't want to even drift a car on stock angle. But yeah, man, I'm happy with this thing now. We might go back out soon. All right, guys, so let's get into it. You see the title, man. You guys see what's going down. I am currently actually wearing the new merch right now. I got the hoodie on. If you haven't been keeping up with my videos or Instagram and none of that stuff, I actually had lost my main Instagram right after the last merch drop we did. So it's been around a year since I've dropped merch. I didn't really want to drop merch on the new page until I felt like most of my solid supporters were back. Just hit 100K about a week ago. So the new IG is growing. It's doing pretty well. I feel like it's a great time to just do a merch drop. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for it. So you ask, you shall receive. So this is gonna be a limited drop. The store is not gonna be open for a week, 2 weeks, nothing like that. Since we haven't dropped in so long, I wanted this one to be kind of special. I wanted to like give back to you guys in some kind of a way. So the first 50 orders, I will be personally hand signing your merch. It's not gonna be like one signature and then it's just gonna get printed on all the merch. Like, I'm actually gonna sign it for you guys. And also what I'm gonna be doing, which I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like going crazy over, out of all the orders, I'm going to be randomly selecting 5 people that I will personally drive to your house and deliver the merch. I'll be giving you guys a ride along in one of my cars. I'll leave it up to you to choose. I feel like most people will choose the Z, obviously. It's the fastest car that I own, so I feel like most people would choose the Z. But there might be someone that wants to get a ride in the M340 or the Drift Z, like, I don't know. Unfortunately, I know this is gonna suck because I know I do have followers all over the world, all over US. I have to pick people that are close to me. So I'm just basically gonna go through the orders. I'm just gonna randomly select people that are probably within like 15 to like 45 minutes away, so I don't have to drive this thing too far. You know, it is the race car, keep it in mind. Like, I can drive it, it's reliable, but I can't go too far. So sorry for the people that don't live in Southern California, I apologize. Maybe soon I'll try to do something where I'll like fly out a supporter from like out of state and, you know, kick it with me for the day, or, you know, try to do something cool like that. I know something like that might sound corny to other people, but like real supporters, you know, day one people that have been there from the start, you know, they seen all this happen, you know, coming just from this car, or, you know, my first G35. I just know a lot of people would go crazy to like hang out with me for a day. So maybe soon we'll do something like that. I will give you guys a sneak peek of the merch. There it is. Yes, sir. Is that a Tomei dog? I had to bring it back, man. You guys killed it with the first drop. Seemed like you guys love this, so I brought it back in a different color. It's the first time I did a color on a hoodie. I've only dropped black hoodies, so we had to change it up a bit. I tried to do a somewhat like Nardo-ish color. This is the hoodie. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the tee. Woo. Here is the tee. This is the front. We got the Z logo with the fresh kicks in Japanese. Here is the back. Yes, sir. Everywhere is a racetrack until you get caught. No cap. Wise words from the legend. These are just samples. The quality on the car is gonna be better, although this one's not bad, but this is just like a sample from my iPhone picture. So I'm gonna send them some better quality photos and we'll have better quality on that. So yeah, man, this is the drop. We got the tee, we got the hoodie. I would say that they run maybe like half a size small. So if you're a medium, I definitely would go with a large. If you're a small, just go with a medium. If you're below a small, I don't know what to tell you, just get a small because that's the smallest size is small. Unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna have 3X. So, you know, for my bigger people, I'm sorry. It's just like my merch people like never try to push the bigger sizes because they don't really sell. But I don't know, maybe down the road, I'll try to do something limited for the bigger sizes. So, because I know you guys do be wanting to support too. So I'm sorry on that, but I think the biggest we're gonna go is like 2X. So yeah, I am gonna be shooting with the merch today. That's why we're here. I need to pull this thing out and get... I have like anxiety now when it comes to my hood. Like, I'm always looking, even though I know that it's good, like I'm always looking to see if this shit's clamped down or not. Guys, we're almost to the spot where we're gonna be shooting. Some nice little houses over here. Like older, but they're nice. I thought he was coming for me, bruh. I was like, what'd I do? I think there's another one. Alright guys, we here at the Spizzot. The Z looking saucy. So is the nature. God, this is a beautiful tree. The only thing that sucks about the spot is like cars coming up and down consistently. So it probably won't last long. We are in the Caucasian neighborhood watch area. Look, my boy over there on the golf course staring right now like, goddamn, Rice Rocket, calling the police.
Mind your way? No, I don't want to get in your way.
So we're gonna have to knock these shoots out quick. Alright guys, so we are wrapping it up here. About to hit the next spot. Second location. It's pretty sick. Whoa, where's that spot? I can't tell you. In the wilderness.
Colorado, bro.
Everywhere is a spot if your car looks good enough.
Put that on a shirt.
Alright guys, we are just about wrapping up the shoot. Give you guys another look at the merch. Oof, I really actually like this front. It's pretty dope. I like that. Is that a Tommy dog? You guys killed this first drop. When I first dropped this hoodie, like it did so well. Obviously it had the colors, but I just decided to bring it back. Same design, just like a Nardo-ish color with the black. It's more neutral, you could wear it with more stuff. And you know, it's just like collector stuff. Like I know it might not be the most crazy looking merch, but like if you're a big supporter of me, this is more collector items. Who knows what's gonna be going down in the future. I'm definitely working on making a brand. So like all this stuff right here, like you guys could be the first people to cop, you know, like before I actually had a brand. So definitely buying these is a little bit more special versus, you know, when I open a store and you can just always get my merch. Like all this stuff is pretty much limited. Not everybody's gonna have it. It's not always available. So as far as the ride along, it's gonna be basically out of all the orders. Unfortunately, like I said, it is gonna be people that are in Southern California. So all my people that are in like Texas, Vegas, Florida, New York, I'm sorry. You know, the whole point of it is to where I can drive to you in my car, you know, take some photos and stuff, give you your merch, and also give you a ride along. So if you live far, you know, I can't do that. But I'll definitely arrange something in the future to where I will get like some lucky supporters out from out of the state, have you guys kick it with me for the day. We'll do something. I'll stir something up in the future. The merch is dropping this Thursday. I'm not sure when I'm uploading the video, maybe tomorrow. So tomorrow is actually Wednesday. So the merch is actually dropping tomorrow. If I drop this video tomorrow, then the merch is dropping tomorrow. I believe it's gonna be 2 p.m. Pacific time. If you guys definitely want to get that autograph, don't miss out, man, because the orders are gonna be going quick. Man, let's kill it on this merch drop. Hopefully we can sell out and start brainstorming the next one. I already got some ideas for the next merch drop. And for all the BMW supporters, definitely be doing some BMW merch in the future. I'm planning on doing like accessories, you know, like air fresheners, stuff like that, stickers, posters. Like, I got all that stuff in the works. I just wanted this first drop as a comeback to be special, do something cool for you guys. In advance, appreciate everybody that's gonna support the drop. You guys can go to the link right now. I'll put the website there. You can enter your email for like notifications, just in case you forget. Yeah, man, let's kill it. I'm looking forward to meeting some of you guys and giving you guys a cool ride along. If you guys want to be on the channel, I'll put it in there as a ride along. If you don't want to be on film and stuff, don't worry about it. I'm not gonna force you to be on camera, so it's all gravy. But yeah, guys, let's kill it. Pretty solid session today. Pretty successful. Excited for the drop, man. The views though. Yeah, man, we are back. That was that. This was only the first day. We got round 2 tomorrow. I'm gonna be having a model do some shots too. That way we can switch it up a little bit, have a girl in the merch, because I know y'all don't really want to stare at me, so some of y'all do. I don't know, some of y'all a little sus. But anyways, but yeah, man, we got round 2 tomorrow. I'm gonna be shooting with my boy HB Media. We're gonna be doing like some like real type videos and some photos. Be sure to stay up to date with my Instagram. Store goes live tomorrow, March 9th, 2023, in case you guys are teleporting from a different multiverse and you want to cop some merch. We appreciate you guys for tuning in to another video. I got a lot more content coming. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next video.